On Thursday morning, the largest hospital in southern Israel became a danger zone.
Puluhan orang terluka akibat serangan rudal terbaru Iran yang menghantam sebuah rumah sakit di Israel Selatan dan sejumlah lokasi sipil di Tel Aviv. Iran dan Israel terus saling melancarkan serangan udara seiring meningkatnya eskalasi konflik di antara keduanya.
From the roof of the hospital, which provides medical services to around 1 million people. While inside, first responders called out for survivors and surveyed the damage.
Rentetan rudal yang diluncurkan Iran telah menghantam sejumlah lokasi di Israel, termasuk merusak sebuah rumah sakit di wilayah selatan negara itu. Sebagai balasan, Israel melancarkan serangan terhadap reaktor nuklir air berat milik Iran di Arak, yang kini dikenal dengan nama Honda.
We are currently not entering except for surgical rescue operations with an emphasis on saving lives.
Serangan ini merupakan bagian dari aksi saling balas yang telah berlangsung selama 7 hari berturut-turut. Kementerian Kesehatan Israel melaporkan, sedikitnya 240 orang terluka akibat serangan tersebut, termasuk 4 orang yang mengalami luka serius. Sebagian besar korban mengalami luka ringan, termasuk 70 orang yang dirawat di pusat medis Soroka di kota Beersheba, Israel Selatan. Iran menyatakan bahwa serangan rudalnya ditujukan ke sebuah lokasi militer Israel. Pemerintah Iran mengklaim bahwa rudal-rudal tersebut menghantam pusat militer dan intelijen Israel yang berada di dekat rumah sakit Soroka, serta hanya menyebabkan kerusakan ringan pada sebagian kecil fasilitas kesehatan tersebut.
They're targeting civilians because they're a criminal regime. They're the arch terrorists of the world. They want to have nuclear terrorism, which will put the entire world under nuclear blackmail, and they would use these weapons. That's what the Ayatollah Khamenei says that he would do. He would use these weapons to wipe Israel off the map. Well, he's not going to. We're not going to let him.
Overnight, the Israeli Defense Forces targeted the nuclear reactor in the area of Arak in Iran and struck what it called a nuclear weapons development site in the area of Natanz. Information out of Iran has been particularly scarce after a prolonged internet shutdown. Iranian authorities claim the internet restrictions are due to security threats. This woman left Iran through the Turkish border because she didn't feel safe anymore.
It was so scary. I heard a lot of voice at night. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep really. 5:19 in rows because I heard a lot of bomb sound near the east of Tehran.
Iranians are now bracing for a longer conflict as Israel vows to respond even more aggressively.